Hello everyone. Today's another kitchen moment with CrazyBob, and our menu for today is chili con carne, but we're doing a twist. Instead of the beef or the ground beef or pork, so we use chicken here. So he already started it with the onions and the chicken piece or cut chicken. And now he's putting in cumin. And this one is chili powder. So we use here 1 kilo of chicken, is it correct? And then tomato pulp. Actually, this is the first time that CrazyBob is doing this.
Bœuf bouillon.
Okay, so it's the beef cubes in warm water. So that means 2 cups of water.
Salt and pepper.
Okay.
And we will see you do like that, and then you will see later.
That's black pepper powder.
Pepper.
Yeah.
Then, if you want it hot, you put a little bit of cayenne, pepper cayenne.
Cayenne.
Little bit because it's very strong. Or you can put Tabasco if you don't want to. You haven't got cayenne pepper, you put Tabasco. Then you must leave it like that 15 minutes. I put this inside too to change.
So it's fresh red bell pepper.
You can put also carrots. Forgot the carrots. I put the carrots.
The menu that he followed, it uses carrots, but we forgot.
You don't put carrots.
But the twist of the menu that you followed has carrots on it. Oh, you're going to add? Ah, okay. And these are the red beans that we're going to use. They call it here haricot rouge. And we also got this one. How you call this?
Wow.
Wow. In English, is this walnut? I forgot the name of this. But all I know is that this is the favorite of the chipmunks. They always fight for this. Where you got this?
My work.
Ah, so this was picked by CrazyBob at his workplace.
Look that nice color. And you go put it slowly until 25 minutes. Then
Okay, so
you must cover.
I'll get back to you after 25 minutes.
On the inside.
And
the
also, yeah, CrazyBob is also doing a flan or making a flan. Oops, there's one more thing that CrazyBob forgot. It's this one. So together with the 25 minutes, it should be inside the pot. He washed it because he don't like the gluey feel if you put it directly. So that's the red beans. One more can. It's okay. Another thing here, it's the tomato paste.
It's all. Now you must leave it cook.
For 25 minutes. Okay, so I'll show you more later. Another twist that CrazyBob did today is that instead of cooking it there, he cooked it here in the oven. So it's going to be for 25 minutes there, 20 to 25 minutes. And we'll see later when it's done. There it is. It's finished.
Yeah.
It's cooked.
Too much cayenne. People like butter.
Yeah.
It's good. It's not too hot. It's good.
So that's it. That's CrazyBob there. CrazyBob the Chef.
And the dessert.
Ah, yeah.
And the flan.
Wow. And, later you're going to put it inside the fridge. So, that's our chili con carne for today with a twist.
With rice.
And we're going to pair it with rice later. There it is, the finish or the cooked chili con carne with a twist.
Chicken.
Yes, with a twist because CrazyBob used chicken meat. And here's my plate. So yummy. Bon appetit.